Let's get right into our real estate market update. We have made it through our first full week of 2022, and I'm getting asked what to expect in the real estate market in 2022. Are we going to see the big crash? You know the saying, what goes up must come down. I understand how scary it may be about what to do. I'm in the market just like you. I'm Nikki Dowling with eXp Realty, but let's truly compare what happened back in 2006 when we had one of the biggest crashes in American history. According to the National Association of Realtors chief economist, Lawrence Yan, he says, and I quote, "Such a frenzy of activity reminiscent of 2006 raises questions about a bubble and a potential for a painful crash." The answer, there is no comparison. Back in 2006, dubious adjustable rate mortgages taxed many buyers' budgets. Some loans didn't even require income documentation. Can't even imagine. Today, buyers are taking out a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. 15 years ago, there were 3.8 million homes listed for sale, and home builders were putting up about 2 million new units. Now inventory is only about 1.5 million, and home builders are underproducing relative to historical averages. So the thing to notice about that quote was when he said, there is no comparison. Also, major contributors to the crash back in 2006 was the fact that stated income loans were being given to buyers. Buyers were being qualified for a loan that they simply could not afford, and in many cases, little paperwork was needed to qualify for a loan. Someone would simply state what they made, and that was considered enough. That is not the case today. Lenders pretty much want your firstborn child in order to approve you. They go above and beyond in qualifying buyers for a loan and make sure that they have the means to pay. That should give us some relief in respect to the housing market and its sustainability. Also, homes appraising at exceedingly higher values from 1 week or 1 month to the next had a significant impact on the crash. That is simply not happening anymore. There are stringent guidelines for appraisals and the amount a bank will lend for a home. I feel we should all take solace knowing that there were many more factors leading to the crash of 2006 that we just don't see today. I'm Nikki Dowling with eXp Realty, and I'm always here to help. Reach out anytime if you've got any questions. I'm here to help, and remember, when you do what you love, people love what you do. Make it a great home buying and selling day.